Hi, today we are going to learn how to use one WhatsApp ID in two different devices. Here I'm using this on Android, but I also need to log into iPhone with the number and the data I have on Android. So let's start. As you can see that I'm already logged in my Android phone. This is my iPhone and I want to use that ID here too. So agree and continue. Come to three dots. Link as companion device. A QR code is given. Now simply come to three dots on your Android phone WhatsApp. Link devices. And scan the QR code displayed on iPhone. Now iPhone is trying to log into your WhatsApp account from that scanning. And yes, you can see that both my phones are connected to the same WhatsApp ID and I'm using at the same time. So this is how you can simply use two different devices to use one WhatsApp ID. Hope you liked it and also subscribe to Inspire Us. Goodbye.